week we saw that Sita Maya was very fascinated with the deer, and she is telling Ram Bhagwan that you go and get the deer for me. Ram Bhagwan is in a fix because Lakshman is telling him, no, that you don't go, this is a trap. But Sita Maya is really, really wanting to get the deer. So ultimately, Ram Bhagwan goes towards the deer and he finds it very surprising. Like the more he goes closer to it, he feels that he's just about to capture it, and the deer again runs away. Again, Ram Bhagwan goes close, he's just about to catch the deer, and again the deer goes away. So ultimately, when this continues for quite some time, Ram Bhagwan decides that I will have to take my bow and arrow and I will have to kill the deer. The moment Ram Bhagwan, takes the bow and arrow and the arrow touches the deer, when the deer is dying, a very strange thing happens. You know what is that strange thing? The deer, in the voice of Ram Bhagwan, says that, "Oh Lakshman, oh Sita, oh Lakshman, oh Sita, save me, save me." And Ram Bhagwan is very surprised. And not only that, the deer takes the form of the Rakshas and then it falls down. So Ram Bhagwan is still thinking that what is this that has happened? And then he says that no problem, it must be some kind of illusion, it must be some kind of a trap. But I have killed the deer, so now let me go back home. I am safe. Now what is happening where Lakshman and Sita are there? They hear this sound, like as if Ram Bhagwan is saying it. They don't know that the deer has said it. And when Sita Maya hears Ram Bhagwan's voice, she is very, very upset. And she tells Lakshman that you go and you help your brother. Lakshman says, nothing doing. This is a trap by the Rakshasa. I am not going anywhere. Ram Bhagwan has asked me to stay here to protect you. I will stay here. I will just not move. And Sita Maya gets very angry when she hears this. She says that, what kind of a brother are you? You are so mean. Your brother is in trouble and you don't want to go. You have also gone onto the enemy side and you want Ram Bhagwan to get killed. And she says lots and lots of things in her anger, which were all incorrect. And when she starts saying that, Lakshman tells her that you please calm down. I am sure this is a trap. Ram Bhagwan will be coming back. But Sita is just not ready to listen. And she starts saying things that I will build a fire and I will jump into the fire. You just don't care for your brother, and this is very wrong that you're doing. And because she starts saying all these kind of things, Lakshman then says that, okay, I will go to find out what has happened to Ram Bhagwan, but you have to promise me that you will not step out of the hut. And he draws a line, he draws a circle around the hut, which is called as the Lakshman Rekha. And he tells her that you cannot step outside, and he runs quickly to the forest to try and find out what has happened to Ram Bhagwan. Now, when he reaches there, what is happening is that Ram Bhagwan is coming back. Ram Bhagwan is pretty satisfied that at least he has killed the Rakshas and nothing has happened to him. When suddenly he sees that Lakshman is walking towards him. When Ram Bhagwan sees this, he is in a state of shock. He is just not able to move ahead. He thinks that, oh my God, why has Lakshman come here leaving Sita alone? And he's so shocked that he just sits down. He's not able to move. He's not able to say anything. And he tells Lakshman that, why have you come here? What happened? Why did you leave Sita alone? And then Lakshman tells that this is what happened. We heard this voice and Sita did not agree and she sent me over here. Now what is happening to Sita Maya? Over there, as soon as Lakshman has left, there is a person who comes in the form of a sadhu. He's wearing all these kind of clothes, very simple clothes like a sadhu, who is actually none other than Ravan. He's none other than Ravan. You all are right. You all have guessed it right. He has come there because he wants to take Sita Maya away. But he is wearing these simple clothes and he asks for he says that give me some food. So Sita Maya goes inside, and when she comes out, Ravan is fascinated by her beauty, that she's really so beautiful. And he realizes that what his sister Shurpankha or that other Rakshasa Akampana had told was not even 1% right. Sita is far, far, far more beautiful. And he's just looking at her. Sita Maya finds it a little uncomfortable. So from far, she just gives him the bowl. When she does that, this Ravan says that, you are standing so far. How do I come here? You don't trust me? That is so bad of you. You must come outside and give the bowl to me. You cannot do it from so far. When she hears all this, she feels a little bad and she says that this is after all a sadhu. I should not do that. And she puts little bit of her foot outside the Lakshman Rekha. The moment she does that, what happens? This sadhu, who is not a sadhu, is actually Ravan, takes his actual form of the demon and pulls Sita Maya out. Obviously, she is a lady. She cannot fight against Ravan. She is not able to do anything. And he just pulls her away, puts her in a chariot, and he starts going away. Sita Maya tries to shout. She tries to say that, you are doing something wrong. When Ram comes, he will come and kill you. He is the best. He is the most bravest. You cannot take me anywhere. But obviously, she cannot fight against Ravan. He puts her in the chariot and the chariot starts flying. Now, when they are flying, at that time, on top of the tree is sleeping this bird who is called as Jatayu. And Jatayu sees this and he's very surprised. He's quite an old bird, but he knows that, Sita should not be there in this chariot. So Jatayu tries to stop the chariot, and there is a fight which happens between Ravan and the bird Jatayu. Again, Ravan is quite strong. Jatayu is an old bird and he is really not able to do anything much. In fact, Sita Maya is very sad to see this happen to Jatayu, because what does Ravan do? Ravan chops off the wings of the bird, and the bird is just lying there on the ground in the forest. And Sita Maya is taken away by Ravan in deeper into the jungle, because he has to take her away to Lanka. Sita Maya uses her presence of mind, and whatever little bangles she had, whatever little jewelry she had, she puts it into one small napkin like a potli, and she throws it down with the hope that maybe somebody will see it and will know the way in which she has gone to, where she has gone towards. So when Ram and Lakshman, when they both meet, and Ram Bhagwan is really surprised as to why Lakshman has come, then they quickly run towards their hut. And is Sita Maya over there? No, she is not over there. And then Ram Bhagwan realizes that what Lakshman has said was true. It was a trap. So they again run back into the forest, shouting out, Sita, Sita, where are you? Sita, Sita, where are you? And they come across Jatayu, who is lying down injured in near one of the trees inside the forest. Ram Bhagwan picks up Jatayu and he talks to Jatayu. Jatayu then says that this is what has happened. Ravan came and Ravan has taken away your wife. Now at that point of time, Ram Bhagwan could have just left Jatayu and gone ahead. And he could have said that, I don't need to spend time in looking after Jatayu. But no, Ram Bhagwan was somebody who used to follow his duty. And at that time, the duty demanded that he does what is required for Jatayu. So he finishes all that. Jatayu breathes his last. Ram Bhagwan buries him. And then he decides his next steps of action as to what he will do to find out Sita Maya.